Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Associate Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In previous lecture, we discussed the characteristic of a company that is separate legal entity. In the present video, we shall discuss other characteristics of corporations. The next characteristic of company is limited liability. The principal or main advantage of doing business under corporate firm is the privilege of limited liability. A company may be limited by shares or by guarantee. The liability of the members or shareholders is restricted to unpaid value of the shares in case of company limited by shares. In case of company limited by guarantee, the liability of members shall be to such extent of amount the members have undertaken to contribute to the assets of the company. For example, if S has subscribed 10 shares of rupees 100 each, then that is shares of rupees 1000, and he has paid rupees 800. Liability of X is limited to rupees 200, that is the unpaid amount towards the shares. The next characteristic of company is perpetual succession. It means a company never dies. Life of the company does not depend upon life of its members. It is not affected by insolvency, mental disorder, or retirement of its members. It is created by process of law and it can be put to the end only by process of law. In a case, K/9 Meat Suppliers Guildford Limited, all the members of a private company were killed by bomb blast during war. While they were in general meeting, the company still survived. It means a company exists irrespective of change in the composition of membership. The next characteristic of company is common seal. A natural person has a signature. Similarly, artificial person has a signature in the form of common seal. The company has no physical existence. It must act through its agents. All the contracts entered into by the agents of the company must be under the seal of the company. In short, we can say common seal is the official signature of the company. The next characteristic of company is transferability of shares. The capital of a company is divided into parts known as shares. These shares are movable property and therefore they are freely transferable. However, there may be restrictions on transfer of the shares, especially in case of private company. The next characteristic of company is that a company can acquire property. A company is a legal person different or absolutely distinct from its members. Therefore, it is capable of owning, enjoying, and disposing of property in its own name. Even though its capital and assets are contributed by its shareholders, they are not owners of its property. In that sense, company is a real person in which all its property is vested, and only company can control, manage, and dispose of the property. The next characteristic of company is capacity to sue and capacity to be sued. Capacity is the status of a person to sue or be sued for violation of law. Being independent person and having own existence, a company can sue in its own name. A company can also be sued by others in the name of company. Thank you friends for watching the video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact me.